Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concept of what is atomic radius. Atomic radius. What is atomic radius? The atomic radius is the distance between nucleus and outermost electron is called as atomic radius. The distance between nucleus and outermost electron is called as atomic radius. In atomic radius is three types. The types of atomic radius are three types. One is crystal radius, and second one is van der Waals radius, and third one is covalent radius. The first one, crystal radius. The crystal radius, it is the half of the distance between center of nuclei of two adjacent metal atoms. It is the distance, half of the distance between center of nuclei, centers of nuclei of two adjacent metal atoms. Adjacent metal atoms is called as crystal radius. The crystal radius is half of the distance between center of nuclei of two adjacent metal atoms. Consider this example. This is the metal adjacent metal atoms. The distance between the centers of nuclei and half of the distance between the nuclei is called as crystal radius. For example, crystal radius of sodium atom is 1.86 angstroms. 1.86 angstroms. And second one is van der Waals radius. In van der Waals radius, what is van der Waals radius? In van der Waals radius is the half of the distance between centers of nuclei of two molecules which are close to each other. The centers of nuclei of two molecules. Look at this example. Consider two molecules. Their centers are close to the nucleus, close to the each other, close to the each other. It is the half of the distance between the centers of nuclei of two molecules which are close to each other. It is called as van der Waals radius. This type of radius is called as van der Waals radius. For example, we consider chlorine atoms. These are adjacent molecules and centers of two molecules are close each other. Closes each other. The van der Waals radius of chlorine atom is 1.8 angstroms. 1.8 angstroms. And the third one is called covalent radius. The covalent radius, it is the half of the distances, half of the radius between centers of nuclei of two atoms held by covalent bond. Covalent bond means transfer of electrons are called as covalent bond. So it is the covalent radius is the half of the radius between centers of nuclei of two atoms held by covalent bond. It is called as covalent radius. For example, covalent radius of chlorine atom is 0.99 angstroms. 0.99 angstroms. This is called as covalent radius. We are discussing atomic radius. What is atomic radius? What are the different types of atomic radius and examples? Next one is variation of atomic radius in groups and periods. In groups, top to bottoms, top to bottom in groups top to bottom the atomic radius is increases because the reason is in the group electron enters into the new shell. That's why atomic radius increases top to bottom in groups. And variation of atomic radius in periods. In period left to right, the periods left to right in the periodic table left to right is called as periods. The period in the period left to right, the atomic radius decreases because the atomic radius decreases in period because the electrons enters into the same shell. So this is called as atomic radius and types of atomic radius and variation of atomic radius in groups and periods. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.